Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SNS channel, where we teach you how to create beautiful designs and SNS dipping powder techniques. Make sure to check out the link in the description below for Valentine's Day specials on snsnails.com. For today's design, we will show you how to create these beautiful hearts. Okay, let's begin. We've already prepped the nail with natural set. For an extended tutorial on how to create the base, click the link on screen. Let's apply Gel-less base on the whole nail and dip into Gel-less color 327. Dust off any excess powder and repeat the process. Next, we will apply Gel-less base and then dip into natural set sheer. After that, use sealer dry on the whole nail. Wait for it to completely dry. Now it's time to file and buff. Apply sealer dry one more time. Wait for it to dry. For the heart design, we will use Gel-less color DS3 and DS24. We will use the UV White Gel Star color. Use the UV White Gel Star color to make the colors pop. Using a small nail tool, create the design like we did here. Then pour the color over the first heart. Use the UV light for 30 seconds and dust off any excess powder. Using the small nail tool, create the next heart using the UV Healthy Gel and pour the color over the design. Place under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. And dust off any excess powder. We're going to use that cuticle oil to complete the design. And there it is! A beautiful design for a lovely holiday. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Comment below with any questions or tutorials you would like to see next. Bye for now!